What's up guys, this is episode 1 of the budget tow rig build. The goal here is simple. We're going to get a reliable setup that can haul my drift cars to events without breaking the bank. In this episode we'll be putting on some wheels and tires, so let's get straight into it. Right now I have it up in the air. I'm about to put some wheels and tires on it. I got this thing for an absolute bargain, so I went ahead and splurged out on the wheels and tires a little bit. They look pretty sick, I cannot lie, but yeah, so after an hour of fighting with blood, sweat, and tears, those front wheels are finally off. No, I'm not stupid. Usually it doesn't take me that long. They were completely rusted on. It was a fucking nightmare, but we got it done. So we can finally lower it down and see how it looked. Oh shit. Oh my God. I did not mean to drop it that fast. All right. Sequoia's back on the ground. The fronts are looking mint. I do have center caps for them, but the tire shop I went to forgot one of them, so they're gonna have to reorder it, and then I'm gonna go back at a later date and they're gonna just take everything off and put the center caps back on, as well as the hub rings or whatever they're called, because those aren't on there either, which is great. But I'm going to be honest, this thing is looking fucking mint. This is just how I wanted it. It's sitting perfect. It looks fantastic. It's just stock tire size, I'm pretty sure, but the wheels are a little bit bigger. It looks fantastic. The camera does not do it justice at all. But I think that's where I'm gonna finish it off for the night. I'll be back in the morning to put on the backs. I'm just fucking beat and it's about to be dark out. The mosquitoes are coming, so I'm just gonna do it tomorrow. Oh yeah, before I do that, hold on. I'm just gonna prepare. There we go. Yeah, no, I took a fucking sledgehammer to the tire, that tire right there, and dude, the wheel would not budge off. Would not fucking budge off, dude. These things were rusted on there, so hopefully a little bit of this will fix that issue. All right, so we are back. It is the next day. I went ahead, jacked it up, gotten 5 of the 6 lug nuts off, technically 4 because that stud was already snapped. So having a problem with this lock lug, I went to O'Reilly's to get a new key because the old key is absolutely mangled. If I can find it in this bag, you can see here the metal's literally missing out of it. So they didn't have the right size, so I went ahead and just picked one of these bad boys up, and hopefully this will work. So it's actually been a few days since I recorded that last clip, but as you can tell, we finally got the wheel off. That extractor didn't work. I ended up having to hammer on a 19 mil, so RIP this 19 mil. I don't think I'm getting that shit out, which sucks, but wheels are on. They look fantastic. They look better than I could have ever wanted. There is slight vibration at higher speeds just because of those hub spacers, but those should come in within the next week, so I'll have those on and it should ride perfect. But yeah, just taking a step back and admiring this thing. It looks fantastic. And I think to wrap up this video, I should just show you guys the inside of the car. So it's 2-owner, 167,000 miles. It's a little bit dirty. I have some shit laying around. There's 3 of the 4 center caps. The 4th one should come in soon, hopefully, but I'm not too sure on that. But yeah, no, the interior is absolutely meant for a car that was made in 2003. Back seats just as clean. A bottle of Febreze laying on the floor. Other than that, I did have to take apart the back hatch, which kind of sucks because the hatch won't open up. The locking mechanism is all kinds of fucked up right now, so I have to take all of that shit out and then put a working one in. But yeah, other than that, I mean, this car is fantastic. 0 complaints, and I've been dailying it for the past few days, and yeah, it's been a great car. So I think I'm gonna wrap up this video here. Next video, I think I'm gonna be taking off those side steps just to make the vehicle look a little taller, and plus, I don't know if you can tell, that pod light's missing. So I think it'll just overall improve the look. And then in the spirit of the budget build, I will be spraying this car in black single stage paint, and hopefully it comes out good. Then after that, maybe window tint, and I need to put a trailer hitch receiver on since it is going to be a tow rig. Yeah, other than that, I mean, I don't really have any ideas, so if you guys do, just let me know in the comments. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. Peace.